We're diving deep into a full review of the Huawei Nova 5T, a device that blends flagship-level performance with mid-range pricing. Design and build. The Nova 5T offers a sleek and premium design that still looks modern. It features a glass back with a striking reflective finish and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button. Available in colors like Crush Blue, Midsummer Purple, and Black, the Nova 5T looks and feels premium despite its affordable price point. Display. The phone packs a 6.26-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. While it's not an OLED, the display is still vibrant with decent brightness and color accuracy. Bezels are slim, and the punch hole cutout for the front camera ensures maximum screen real estate. Performance. The Nova 5T is powered by the Kirin 980 chipset, the same chip used in Huawei's former flagship Mate and P series. Coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, performance is buttery smooth. Camera. The Nova 5T boasts a quad camera setup. 48MP main sensor, f/1.8. 16MP ultra-wide. 2MP macro. 2MP depth sensor. Photos from the main sensor are crisp, with good dynamic range and color accuracy, especially in daylight. Night mode helps improve low-light shots, but image noise can creep in. Battery life. Battery-wise, you get a 3750 mAh cell. It easily lasts a full day with moderate use, browsing, videos, and light gaming. Overall, this phone is nice. Thank you so much.